folks. I've got to go back the whole route and fix any mailboxes that got messed up or signs that didn't get put back up, but that's what I'm going to do, and we'll run the whole route, and it was well worth it to get our house moved, and I'm still super grateful. But we got to take care of these people. You can't just leave this. Does it seem like it's been a long time since we last drove down here? Remember when we drove up this morning?
Oh my gosh, yeah.
That was a long time ago.
How long ago was that?
Oh.
That's over a year ago, wasn't it?
It was a long time ago. Oh, you're talking about when we cut the house in half? Yeah, that was just over a year ago. Anyway, Brother Jim and I'm so glad you got to experience that.
It
Wasn't
was
it awesome?
It was awesome. Oh, this is... Oh,
yeah, you're in the right spot.
Yeah.
We're going up to where the house was because we're driving the entire route, and we've met some cool people, right?
Today we met
super cool people. No, I'm talking about, well, not only the whole Emmerich crew, but the people that we've met. We're driving the route to assess the damage because KK is like a human bulldozer. When the house is going down the road, if something's in his way, he'll just snap posts off, and
AK
there's
animal.
Like a litter field of broken mailboxes and stuff. So our job, Jim and I, is to redo the route, redrive it. Oh, it's so nice to see the house gone, Jim.
We're just doing the right thing.
Yeah, we're redriving the house route.
I'm gonna go back around that way.
Yeah. And so this is where they're putting 15 houses. And my house used to be right over there in the corner. And it was minding its own business and had all this field to itself. And the other houses complained. They said, why does that house get to have so much yard and we have none? So there's 15 more like that going over here. It's gone, Jim. There's no house there. Look, the neighborhood's all happy. They're like, oh, we don't have to look at that old house
like
anymore.
A disappearing act.
Oh, it's gone. Hey, that house is finally gone. Did you hear?
Wave your magic wand.
Yeah. Think gone.
Now there's nothing in the field that is left, is there, that needs to be switched out there?
Hey, hold up. Pull up this kid.
Is that, whose cooler is that?
No, it's not ours. Pull up. I gotta talk to these kids. Hey, have you guys seen my house?
No.
My house was right here.
Oh, really?
Yesterday. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, shoot.
You guys glad to see that? No. We don't do that in this because I use it to rescue classic trucks. We go all over the country with it. Check out Classic Truck Rescue on YouTube. You'll see us cut that house in half and see where it's going.
Are we gonna be in the video?
If you want.
Yes.
Right on. Classic Truck Rescue. Peace out.
Okay.
Yeah, on YouTube.
Hey,
have a good day.
Hey, what?
Right on.
Oh, they both got that. Ask him where the hell his helmet is.
No, we're not doing that. Right on.
Wait, so you own this property?
No, I bought the house that was here.
Yeah.
We moved it out to the Malala River.
All right.
Yeah, we put it on the 25 acres that's on both sides of the river.
Nice.
It's gonna be awesome.
All right.
Sure that's not one of the boys' cooler out there?
I was trying to see if you own this so I can, if a cop shows up, I can say I got
You're
permission.
fine. The guy won't care. He won't. Yeah, you're not doing anything wrong.
All right.
You asked
Yeah.
him, is that your cooler out there?
No, it's been there forever. It was in between the houses.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
All right, bud.
Classic Truck Rescue on YouTube.
Okay, I'll look it up.
All right, guys. We're gonna be on a YouTube video.
Is that what he said?
Yeah.
He will too.
Yeah, you will, because I like showing stuff like that.
He said it was okay, so you got permission.
Yeah. There's a kid hanging there alone. I didn't see an adult. It was like a baby. I don't know. A toddler.
Here.
All right, so anyways, Brother Jim and I are gonna drive the route. I think we've found all the posts. We need 3 posts, right?
So far, that's it.
Tomorrow I'm gonna go and install new posts on 3 people's mailboxes. And one really nice old man who had his address on a post out front, and he's gonna get a new post too. The carnage was minimal. The house did hit 1 limb, did a little damage to an eave, but it'll be all right. The Emmerich crew did a spectacular job.
Phenomenal.
Totally impressed with those guys.
Incredible human beings.
Yeah.
No, they did.
They were pretty
badass.
cool.
Oh,
they are
awesome.
badass. Think about that. They had the whole road, more than the road, taken up from side to side, and
stopping traffic.
And they do that. They do that knowing that all kinds of stuff could happen, but also knowing we're gonna handle whatever comes our way, and we're gonna get this thing where it's going.
Yeah.
That's their frame of mind.
Those guys walked 12 miles.
Yeah, I think they took a ride on Ivy. I think they did. Anyway, Jim and I are gonna recheck the route one more time. Thanks for coming along. What do we say, brother?
Peace out.
Peace out. Community service round 2. This is our second stop. There was major carnage in this area. This what you got her done, honey? You got her done? Done did it? So we had I believe one of these is the one that KK was yanking on, and I looked in the mirror and saw him go rolling backwards when it snapped off. Anyway, Jamie just fixed that one. That one he said he didn't care about. We were gonna dig the hole out and set it deeper, but he said that was fine. There was a rivet missing off the bottom of the door. Jamie put a nut and bolt in there. This one had a rotted post on it. I'm gonna go ahead and dig a hole, put a new post in this one. They already had a piece of metal wired to it holding it up, but we'll get her squared away and maybe even straighten their box out for them a little bit. And then I'll go over there and put a new post in that one. We'll be done did it?
Done did it.
Okay. Community service, take 2. Jamie is a beast with a rock bar, just pounding. Like, people were going by, they were like eyeballing her. She's just, man, you know how to handle a rock bar, woman.
I have to, or Adam's all, Jamie!
She's like, this is what I do at work. This is nothing. And anyway, as you can see, as you can see, we've got 2 new posts. Got the one on the end down there fixed up. Everything looks good.
Got that one done. Oh, my hand, look at my hands all shaky from the rock bar.
They look a lot
And
better though.
Got that one.
New posts.
So now the last 3 are left.
There's one left that has 6 mailboxes that were teetering on one post. Wait till you see it.
So I have 3 holes to
Yeah,
dig.
and you could tell they added an address on the end of the road that it's on, and they just stuck some 2x4s on the end and put another mailbox on. It's funny. Wait till we get there. hang on, folks. You're gonna see some
We got one
comedy.
more person in the neighborhood. We gotta add her on a mailbox.
Community service time. We're doing our community service. Hello, what's your name? I saw you yesterday. I'm Rick. D?
Well,
I'm gonna replace your all of these people have been totally cool about us driving down the road and just bashing their mailboxes and address markers to heck with our house. But we're gonna do them a solid, and wherever something got damaged, we're making it better than it was, right, Jamie?
yep,
No, yep.
yep. Making Malala great again.
Oh, Jamie. Oh, Jamie.
What?
I can't stop her.
What?
Show them what I bought.
So he bought these posts.
No, show them what I bought in the truck.
What'd you buy? Oh.
What did I buy?
Oh, you're saying I'm a poo starter. All right. See, he got this.
Don't make any positive or negative comments.
Well, I'm not. I just saw this and I'm like, oh, Rick, you know you want this. You know you do. Anyways, I know I'm the bad guy because I want to put a rope around it and hang it from underneath the truck. Whoops. Anyways, I'm going to...
Back to community service.
Yes, community service.
Can I get a safety cone?
Can you get a what?
A safety cone.
A safety cone, yeah. Well, I'm gonna go for now because Rick needs cone. I'll be back.
Hey, there's my screw gun, honey. What? I just found my screw gun. Yeah, it's in the back of the truck.
You work me harder than the city does.
Yeah, but I let you have better brakes.
We're at the last one.
We're at the last one. You guys actually missed a couple of our community service stops because they were quick fixes.
But this one.
Yeah, Jamie took one look at this one.
I'm like, this one's not gonna
This
run.
doesn't look like fun. But honey, look what they did. So, see, when they started out, maybe they had 4 mailboxes, right? They did. Look over here. If you see, they had one post with 4 mailboxes and the post was in the center. But then somebody else came along, so they added this and one on the front to add this mailbox. And then somebody else came along, they added another address, and then they added these 3 guys. So you've had this poor little post all rotten sitting here, and you know, right? So if these guys got a whole bunch of catalogs one day, or phone books back in the phone book days.
But you didn't add that.
Oh yeah, I did, most certainly did add that.
Oh.
And I added this and this because the post is broke down to the ground. So my plan for this one, Jamie, is
It's gonna be an all-nighter, folks.
I'm not reinventing this whole thing. I'm not. I say, Jamie, we dig a hole right there and drop a post straight through it and add it to it. I don't know. What do you think? We're not going to but this is all cobbled together. It's not. We'll be back when I figure out what I'm going to do with this mess that's been added to year after year to make it nicer than it was.
But no matter what, we got to put 2 posts in, probably.
Well, that's what they should have done a long time ago, right?
Yeah.
Classic truck rescue. Jamie? I'd say we did a pretty good job for our community service, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
You
work me harder than the city does.
Yeah, you don't want to come home. You don't want to come home. We work too hard at home. Anyway, this is what we did for the sketchy one. All of the mailboxes were on that post, which made it way too heavy on that side. Last night, Jim and I came down the road. I just stuck that piece under the end to keep it from falling over and put a couple screws in the base of the split post. Today, Jamie and I dug the hole, measured, and pounded a new post right down the center of it and into the hole before filling the hole with gravel and packing it. I would take the one off of the end because it doesn't look, you know, all that aesthetically nice, but why? They still have too much weight on that side, and I'm gonna leave it. If they want to take that out, that's fine. I guarantee you the new post we put in the center will hold that whole pile of mailboxes up. But if it were mine, I'd leave it alone. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Right, honey?
Yeah.
Peace out.